Hello everyone, this is Universal Studios and MGM 5001 here. I'm going to show you how to install a PS4 game on your PS5 for the first time. I'm going to do the two FIFA games as shown in the video, FIFA 16 and FIFA 17, because they were in my pickups today. If you saw my update, we're going to show you how to install, because this game should be backwards compatible on my PS4. PS5. Alright, let's put FIFA 16 in. Okay, as you can hear, it's wiring up the disc. As it says there, 2 items added to downloads or uploads. You can look that up in your notifications. If I can show you. As you can see there, 2 items, and it will take a while to copy the game. Okay, whenever you see a disc right there, this means you need to insert the disc to play the game. And by the way, you need to leave the disc inside the machine, inside the PS5, while it's copying until it reaches 100%. So, gonna let it be until it's finished copying. Oh, not to mention, depending on your internet connection speed, it might take longer to copy the game. But again, this depends on if your internet connection speed is like slow or fast. Sorry, I just forgot to mention that. Okay, so FIFA 16 has nearly finished copying, and we can now play the game for the first time. And as you can see, in the notifications it says, ready to play. Oh, it's also updated, and even the notification pops up because I've got the PlayStation app on my phone. Yeah, they still use the "it's in the game" tagline after many years. As you can see, FIFA 16 does work on the PS4.
Always interesting at this stage to see these friendly games, maybe a bit of experimentation. That's what we've got for you today. I'm Martin Tyler, along with Alan Smith, to call the action for you.
Okay, so I'm also going to install FIFA 17 as well. So let's eject this game and put the disc back. And yeah, remember that not all PlayStation 4 games are compatible on the PlayStation 5. So please be aware of that. Ignore my thing at the top, it's just playing up. Oh, and yeah, this one has 2 items to add to downloads, uploads. Oh, also the icons look very identical, and they're pretty colourful as well. Okay, and FIFA 17 is now copying. I think this one might take a bit longer because of the game's how much megabytes it needs to. Okay, if you look at the back of your game, this one, which is FIFA 17, this one is 44 gigabytes minimum, while FIFA 16 is 25 gigabytes minimum. So I think this one took a bit slightly shorter, and this one is taking a slightly bit. This one also might take a bit longer, also because of the gigabytes storage space that you need to save the game with. As you can see right there, I'll see you when this one is finished. Oh, well, this one is downloading. I'm going to show you what happens when you eject the disc when it's copying. Okay, and as you can see there, it says copy paused. So you need to leave the disc in the PS5 and allow the thing to copy. When the disc starts whirring up. Wait a second. Unreadable disc? I don't know why. Oh. Never mind. It's back. So anyways, I do hope you enjoyed this video. This is me, Universal Studios and MGM fan 2001, signing off. Goodbye, everybody.